me, dog. I'm so tell you every time I keep thinking about you, man.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers who are gone. Bless up. You know the style though. I hold on there with the latest updates, mix up and mix downs at JA. So subscribe if you're new. You see me? Yeah, so as you can see, we are gonna talk about where the description of the video say. You see me, and I'm not telling no lie. I don't know if we miss out on them or something over here. So we have the latest live and the uppest live them over here. So you see me? Yeah man, and this is what Pretti done have to say about the whole situation.
Mr. Chatter laugh, you say, yo, are you our general? Cartel are your G. You say teacher, you say Gaza, nobody. No say Gaza more than your dog. Nobody no say Gaza more than your bad man. And Gaza tell you one thing, bad man, about girl thing. Gaza tell you about girl thing. You can't wife up ugly girl, bad man. You cannot wife up ugly girl. You see one time girl ugly and favor cheer bottom, you can't wife them up lava. Lava, you fuck after blood clot pliers. Half of pliers. Go live up now, have no teeth left in my mouth, you know. When Amari done with blood clot pliers, you know, no teeth but gum, you know. You must know what you want to do with yourself as a DJ, you know. You must know what you want to do with yourself as a blood clot DJ. When time she done with you, not even one laptop button left for your pussy clot laptop, me I tell you that boy. You, you's a disgrace to the vlogger them everywhere after we think say you're the big talk show host. Look on Amari. Look on the condition of this blood clot woman. You man have to blood clot curtain. Drop down from underneath him, bumbo clot harm them one time. I go gather you for a hug. Hey, Baba, I say your pussy clot cool up a fucking New York there. You make up from New York. You open New York, hear you. Ross, time cool. Winter time. Me need to get a girl. And look where you go take up. You go down in the trash, down in the bin, down in the worst part of the subway. Go draw up this your pussy clot, Godzilla. Me say with the bumbo clot. You, after me day, I beg for you. Me beg for you as my friend because guess what? Me say you're my friend. Me don't want to see my friend them go through nothing. Me don't want to see my friend them have no idiot girl. Me don't want to see my friend them have no... No! What era? Where is Era? Cause I can't believe Era you sit down on the live and make love and do that sitting here. Me can't blood clot hang myself in because me not no rope. All me the kind of look for a rope, me not find none. But me will poison myself. Me will poison myself. How much time I come here so me beg for your love and me tell the people them saying I like you man. And you make you man skin out on the live. You make you man skin out on the live and I talk about gurgle. I talk about gurgle and you know how we pussy feel. How we pussy feel, lava? How the pussy feel? You can't diss me again now. You say me a toilet. You say me a shit pit. You say me a dog fleas. You say me a shit. What me a go bumbo clot do? You can't style me after this. You fuck after Gully Bop. Gully Bop gum them pink. Kinda no teeth in my mouth, you know. You a fuck off a man who have a pink blood clot gum. The man gum pink. Jesus. Yo, what world dog, dog? Me can't believe world dog. Me can't believe world dog. After me talk to world dog, anything where lava do on the internet, it reflect on me and you. And at this you go do. Jesus Christ! The people are tired of seeing this a chaka so saggy body bumbo cloud to man here. You man look like when time one mattress wet up in a rain to pussy clad. Me I say look for Amari to blood clad. Amari have one lump of shit in a fucking forehead. And me I say look why you don't take up this now. And the woman go as far. She go as far. Mama go as far as the blood clad put one pussy clad fish hook in a bumbo clad face and have it a swing in front of a bumbo clad face in a dada. And me I tell us that you got to go. Look what you do. Look what you do now. Me a hero. How we look? How we look? How me a hero look? You see hero? Hero your fault. Hero a your fault because you don't like tell lava when him wrong. Your fault hero because you see hero. Hero go sit down for chat a laugh and make him do them something. Why you never report it live, Hero? Why you never report it live, Hero? Hero, you don't like tell lava when you're wrong. You don't like tell lava when you're wrong. But as me wrong, you're ready for blood clot. Tell me say me wrong. Lava wrong for what I do, and you know that too. Look how much girl. Well, look good, sexy, hot, girl body up, steaming, all about out there. Mama body do breast, mama body do thigh, mama body do every bumbo clot where mama suck out the fat and put it in the place it needed. I mean tell you say at this you come blood clot take up on the bypass surgery. When so much at look 17, 18 in the prime boy, yeah. Where if you condense with the whole of the clean good pussy when I use it, you take up the pussy when done. Everybody put this ready to bumbo clot. Jesus Christ. Bumbo clot lava, we are dealing with my youth. Pussy hole there, dog. What we are dealing with my youth? You diss me, dog. You diss me, pussy. You diss me. Jaja. You diss me, dog. Bumbo clot. Hey, my boy love. I can't believe. Hey boy, Hero. You're for this in a dog. Look, pussy. Pussy. What this, man? Pussy. Yo. Youth. Bad man. Enough girl out here look good. Nah, no man. Jesus Christ, I even do have a money boy now fuck you right. And that they say you got take up. Jesus Christ. Somebody call lava. What make me, Father? Do what me do in a life? You deserve this. In lava, in your bumbo clot chest right now. You understand me? I deal with pussy wall. 2 uppercut in your ball bumbo clot head. Make you drop on your fucking back. What kind of embarrassment this? This is unacceptable. You mean if you tell me, say? Hey, somebody call World Dog. Somebody call World Dog. See me? One thing with me. Me can't tell my friend them one time they're wrong. Lava, you know wallet. Lava, you make this big chaka 57-year-old slice wheat old bread. Come bumbo clad panny life after me tell you, say, don't make that woman your style. You. Stop it. You make the woman come bust out the whole of your blood clot laundry. All of your bumbo clot laundry. Drop a ground, boof. Yeah, fuck it. Suck it. Jesus Christ. Me good general. Remember lava. Remember see a fee blood you call you general. Like me. Me a world dog. Look up to your bad man. Look for me a world dog, y'all. As bad as thing be and Camille round here beat me, look how Camille look good. Remember say Camille tapping at every one of the old them God bless me with boy. But me with stay in the blood clot girl beating because me blood clot girl look good and me can't believe in general. Every day we get up and we call him in general dog. Every day we get up and call him in general. You hurt me, dog. I'm so tell you every time I get thinking about the one. Yo, bad man, me have a smile, man. Bad man, me have a smile, bad man. Love, I can't believe what this is doing to me, dog. You hurt me, dada. You hurt me, pussy. Pussy! You hurt me, pussy! You hurt me! My hurt! I don't know how to jump asleep for last night. Jesus Christ! Love, I didn't even do it about you. Yeah, it the hard. Man, there's me say me a bad man. Me rate as me general. Hot girl me fuck. Me hot girl, pretty girl. Some of the time them girl are over the moon girl. Some of the girl them fuck with two we ugly. We wonder how we get them the girl. They look when you take up Jesus Christ, love. Look Look at my money I have, dog. Look at my money. Look at my money I have, lava. Lava, look at my money I have. Lava, Jesus Christ. Lava. Shit. Yeah, tell me. Me tell you, you don't know when me tell Lava say wrong. You don't know when me tell Lava say bumbo clad wrong, dog. What me gonna do and do? What's that? Oh, really? It's worth 80,000 people. Well, dog. Why? Well, not anything the boy do reflect on me and you. Anything. Look at my girl there chat and laugh. Jesus Christ. No one have girl like chat and laugh. Jesus Christ. Girl fry everywhere. And at this you're gonna do it. Nico, pussy one now me feel like you really a mash up my life, pussy. Leg on my friend shirt. Leg on my friend shirt, Nico. Yo, calm down. Calm down, Pretti. Wow. Wow. Wow, Lava. Wow. This is really you. Wow. Wow. So what Zai did there when Uncle Lava did a behave them weird? Why Zai never says? Wow. Wow. I mean, wow. Wow. I mean, wow. Jesus. Wow. Wow. I can't believe this. Wow. I can't believe this for real. Wow. This is really a shocking behavior. I mean, with the, you know when I know something wrong? It's when I wake up this morning, when I look on my Instagram, you know. Father, sorry. Real men cry. Real men cry. You understand me? Only real men cry. And listen, when I see in my inbox, it was evident that something is wrong because you can see the amount of live. Send the live. They must send the live. Wow, Lava, where is him? On the place. On the active making comment. Wow, Lava, wow. Wow, I can't believe you. I really can't because this. When me look, me see be a chat and laugh. Me say, Jesus Christ, I was going over chat and laugh last night. Wow. 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 You see, I'm not an emotional person, you know. But real men cry. You see last night, he ran a like tell him when he wrong. He ran a like tell Lava when he wrong, dog. He ran a like it. You see what time he say, Lava, wrong. Hero, we say, man, make Lava go and do him thing. But you have to tell him when you wrong, dog. Because you know what's the Lava wrong. If Lava, right now Lava take up this your blood clot woman here with the 1 dozen and 1 pitney. Oh, it look bad, pan. You think of him and me and you. Me and you, hero. Because we young, I know better. Me and you young, I know better. And we will lead the blind. Me and you, hero. That's why God put me in your own Lava, you know. God put me in your own the blind to lead him. You see, I tremble my nerve. Tell him I'm emotional about the words. You see, right now, we need to lead him in the right way, dog. We need to lead the dog in the right. You have to take up a good woman. Brother, why me and you don't take up a woman with 1 dozen and 1 pitney? Brother, 1 try egg that a morning time. Done. Me have money for spend on so much pussy clad egg. Eh? Me hurt. Me hurt because right now 18,000 people see my friend disgrace last night when thinking Mount Amari up on the Lava, why you doing this? I'm finished. This is crazy. I know you're gonna call up my name on your show tomorrow. You probably keep it early just because of me. Wanna look out for him put it up today. Chat and laugh at 9 tonight. Because him just nah get it. No wonder one time you hear him. Oh, Amari, you need to come over chat and laugh right now. Pretending over here talking a whole heap of bugger things about you. Hey, pussy? Eh? Lava, you disappoint me. Amari, you look very bad. Don't ever put on no more blood clot lingerie. You see if I ever not tell me, I tell you. Mama, you look saggy and cracky in a bum buckler. Mama, you look like when I drought take land, mama. Mama, you know what you look like? When you have tough bag juice in the 12-pack downtown and it a melting, man. You hear that the sherry eyes there, man. I say your skin look flimsy, bad man. Mama, you look like say you can stretch and put over one cocky to protect you from STD. I tell you that straight, mama. You're swearing. Mama, one time I resemble you, mama, put you down on blood clot Burger King floor and mop up that blood clot with you, good as me. I tell you that straight. No joke, No fucking joke about that, mama. None of your clothes, they never look washed, they never look mildew like, so when you carry them, go wash them and then dry. Some of them not dry good, and you put the whole of them in a one place, so they frozen and the whole of them have on the whole like a mass and so. You understand me? Amari, when time me look for you, mama, you look like when them a asphalt road, them a Jamaica to rascal and run out of asphalt. Mama, when time me look for you, me can know what afterbirth look like. I saw you looking a saggy, flappy and done out and jizz out. You understand me, mama? Yeah, mama, you resemble like me, like Minty. This morning, me and my wife drink some minty and we had dippy crackers every night, bumbuckler, minty, and you see that get saggy and wither. So your blood clot look, mama. You understand me? Mama, let me tell you what you look like. You know Pop Chow? You see what they have in Pop Chow them till blood clot 6 o'clock in the evening downtown. I saw your blood clot looking a man wither in, mama, me I tell you that straight up blood. You look like a bungler callaloo. A bungler callaloo when nobody never wants to eat last. You see 5 o'clock in the evening downtown to blood clot, mama. You understand? No! You look like one pear. Well, one side I eat black and the other side good. So you know, see if you bust off the side and pear there and dash where that I eat the good side. You understand what we are dealing with, mama? Yes, man. You look like you bag them when we used to buy the little goldfish them in out of school front. You look like you June plum them in a bag. One time the June plum them well ripe. And you squeeze them up in a salt and the blood clots soft out in them, mama. When I ask you, mama. Mama, you shape like what sit when you stir up with your boss, you queasy out, the purple one, because the blood clot, the green one, it tends to be very solid and you more wither and look like when time the blood clot purple one, them about to fucking stay up there and just, you understand? Yeah, man, goods. You look fucking bad, man. Mama, you look like the boss them. Where did I drive downtown in the 1993 side now? And them that the whole bus them on the outskirts. You look like a market truck them want to carry a whole heap of food them. Go sell down a coronation a fucking Saturday time good as. No, mama, you favor one of the truck them. Walk on collect the garbage. Run a South Barrow, run a Newland and the whole place that ever dirty and it ever stink. Me not ask. Mama, you favor one of the bomber clock barrel them where we capture garbage them in a Jamaica V garbage truck come from mama. Mama, you resemble that blues man there. You see that truck there? A gas. And what you look on it, it's shaped like you. Look at it. You see that? You see how it's shaped? Look how it's shaped like you, mama. Blues man, that's you right there. That's you. So I don't understand why my sensible friend who want to talk short with you. Lava ground, you is a very disgraceful man. You're disgraceful. You make me a hero look bad. Hero, what you have to say about this? Come here, I can't me alone feel bad about this. Christ. I don't know what to say about this, you know. Got this look strong, like blood clot, octagon. What one? Amari shape like a blood club. You don't see Chuck? I was lying? No. Lava, you disgrace me. We don't want back Amari and chat and laugh. But true, your woman, we can't tell you who to deal with, you know. But we can't tell you who to bring on the show. Because the show is a public platform where public...